ꯌꯥꯝꯕꯅ ꯃꯔꯝ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯃꯛ ꯅꯩꯅꯕꯗꯤ ꯉꯝꯃꯣꯏ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯈꯪꯒꯠꯂꯒ ꯈꯔ ꯅꯩꯅꯕꯅꯦꯕꯀꯣ ꯅꯣꯏꯅ ꯅꯩꯅꯍꯟꯅꯤꯡꯕ ꯁꯤꯃ ꯅꯩꯅꯁꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯒꯁꯨ ꯀꯔꯤꯃꯠꯇ ꯀꯥꯏꯗꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯅꯣꯏꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯛꯑꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯗꯨ ꯅꯩꯅꯕ ꯌꯥꯏꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯣ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ question number 30 ꯁꯦ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯍꯥꯟꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯅꯩꯅꯁꯤ question number 30 ꯅ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯍꯥꯏ identify the correct sequence of words A to E ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯁꯤ A ꯗꯒꯤ E ꯐꯥꯎꯕꯁꯤꯗ ꯋꯥꯍꯩ words ꯈꯔ ꯌꯥꯎꯔꯤꯌꯦꯕꯀꯣ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ correct sequence ꯈꯜꯂꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯅꯤ ꯀꯩꯗꯧꯅꯕ that correctly fills the blank in the following paragraph on computer network ꯍꯥꯏ computer network ꯑꯃꯗ computer network ꯑꯃꯒꯤ terminology ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯌꯥꯎꯔꯦꯕ fill in the blank ꯅꯦꯕꯀꯣ aduna magi correct order khallu haibaniba aduna sida blank 1 blank 2 blank 3 blank 4 blank 5 leire hairiba 5 sida sigi a dagi e fawase masi karam mendoino 1 da karam mendoino 2 da karam mendoino adugi matungina order 9 a dagi a b c d e se arrange tawu haibaniba ko khangani ne sida aduna yengasi ngo ahanbada mana kari hai IP4 IP version 4 addresses are long kayam sangib sida 128 bit 32 bit 48 bit haidana leng khara asangba khara pire ko masi akhoi na tamkhre IP version 4 gi address kayam sangi IP version 6 gi address se kayam sangi then MAC address on the other hand is kayam yam sang banoba MAC address is MAC address ina kayam yam sangi hairino sisu akhoi nei nakre chimpa puba darkar oi ko mase masi tangai fadana chimpa puba darkar oi aduna kaya hai hibano IP version 4 na kaya sangi version 6 na kaya sangi version 4 na 32 bit sang bani version 6 na bu 128 bit sang bani sima MAC address is on the other hand is MAC address ki na bu sida 48 bit aina ama yawrisi ko aduna MAC address na bu 48 bit sangi aduga sida mana ani ama wali kari haye kansida a MAC address is oriented towards MAC address se karida mapungoina khanabage concern oibage haibane whereas IP address is oriented towards IP address na karida oriented tawi karida nakshali MAC address na karida nakshali haibani lemhoriba option se software ga hardware ga ani lemiaba aduna MAC address ka IP address ka ani sigi marakta karambana software da nakshan banu karambana hardware ga mari leina banu adu khanduini haiba ngamra se IP address ka MAC address ka si karambana software no hardware ga mari leina banu aikoina tamkhre masi MAC address haibase hardware identification address amani haidana aduna MAC address se sigi MAC address se yamna maru ui mari leine sigi hardware si aduna hardware haisina karigi MAC address ki IP address haisina software gi haibadi nangi network to adu karigana masak takaduino haira kansida IP address na masak takaduini aduna MAC address na hardware aduga IP address na kari software sima aikoina tangai fadana khangba darkar oiko sini question naina ba hairisi ko noina khangagadi hena kanagani question number 31 sidi icham chambani mana sida hangisi which of the following software titles are examples of system software haidana software gi example khar laiki application software hairagana bu individual apps WhatsApp kumba calculator gumba camera app kumba sugumba sinabu application software kawi system software hairagadi computer du function ta hunbada mateng oiriba operating system gumba sa masi system software hairakhani mana sida piri sinabu example pibani sidagi khallu haidana अखोई से मरक तसु लेपुरे को नेट थिंगमना मरम मोरगा अदुगा कुइसु कुइरे सिगे ICT से तौरे इसी यामनसु चावी क्लास मसिंग दु सांगी अदुना मरम मोरगा नोय कावरमबसु याय अदुना रिवीजन तौब दरकार ओइको रिवीजन तौरगदी क्वेश्चन नैनबदे हेन नुंगाइदुनी एग्जाम सु कुइरम मरोय खले अखोई हौजिक चलिसे कै थानो अप्रैल था लोइसले को मथंगदा मे जून जस्ट था अनि फारम मरोय था अमगा खर खक्तनी को aduna revision toina to aduna sigi question sida last yengo system software khallu haibani ba example ma'am pi ki ubuntu si system software la Ubuntu hairisi operating system amani ko so Ubuntu hairisi system software ne chumi Google Docs hairisi na bu masi application software ni masi de Google Docs hairisi Google gi Word kumbani ko wahai text ina bani MS Office 365 hairisi so MS Office Microsoft ki Word PowerPoint Excel mayam yaubado aduni masi application software ni system software te Android hairisi operating system ni phone gi operating system hairisi karino system software ni Chrome operating system OS haisi operating system hairini ko masana dum operating system panjare operating system is system software ni so I think E should also be correct aduna sida aina tik tawriba singse ADE se masi chumani chumaina tawdana akhoi aran ba hana khandogadi hena nungai ba haibado oigani sigisima khongo natro question number 35 ke amang yengsengu in cloud computing which of the following are advantages of using cloud storage cloud computing the cloud storage season gi advantage kanava khalu hai cloud computing cloud storage ka hairagadi online da khoina in data store to budu ai goi gi maru oi photo oi bi files oi bi pdf file oi bi basi google drive kumba da upload to khat pe yai hairiba google drive ta upload to khat da madu cloud storage ka weba ai khoi computer di store to gudu banate google loin store to khidoi ba adugu aikoina cloud storage kawi cloud computing ga mari lainai ko hairiba cloud storage to adugi advantage khallu haibane ba mai kana basi kari no ba mai kana basi yengsi ko mana ahan bada kari hai data files of the customers are stored on the cloud is stored to what data files to can be accessed at any time from any device anywhere in the world provided internet access is available hai aduna mana hairisi internet access pu leiba taragadi anytime da anywhere dagi any device amadagi any mafam amada any matam amadagi any device amadagi adum hekta changaga yengba yai internet pu fangagadi haibani chummi ko google drive ta nang na upload tawkhibase nang na phone da yengasu yai natraga laptop ta yengasu yai delhi chala yengurasu yani online da leijaba poni anywhere dagi adum nang na internet pu pairagadi adum yengba yai haibani ko simasu chumme sigisima cloud storage ki kanabane se there is no need for customers to carry an external storage device with them or use the same computer to store and retrieve information. Aduna, no need for customers. Dakar uidresini external storage device ama punaba. Online de store tawkhrabanina nang CD cassette ama natraga pen drive ama pubagi thoina kanaba leitri haibani ko ahanbada ma hairise chumme sisu. Aduga or kari hai use the same computer to store and retrieve the information. Hairiba information do save tawshanbadasu amuk download tawbadasu ko aduna store tawba matamdasu ama halaga retrieve tawbadasu same chap manaba computer do sizinnadragasu yaiyeba no need aina mathakta yawkhre ko se aduna nangna upload tawbana nangi phone de upload tawba nangna photo khara nangi phone da kapure aduga madu nangna google drive ta upload tawkhatkre yengba matamdadi nang computer da yengasu yani phone de upload tawkhena phone de yengani haiba leiti ba sumaina tawdana external storage device pudraga su yare loina na same computer dagi adum work tawgani haiba leiti simasu chumi ko b simasu sina kari hai if the computers have slow internet connection is slow ragadi then they would not face any problems accessing or downloading their data files internet slow oiragasu makoina not face any problem ama fawba leiroi yengba download tawba mathamda laliko internet tapagadi upai sunglei leite duna internet through darkar oyebase internet through mana they would not face any problem am the face tawroi hairise this is wrong laliko cloud service is typically delivered by a cloud service provider cloud storage haibase cloud storage ki provider ama leigadobani google drive kaina leiribase sugumba siniko aduna hairibasi su chummi ko mamangi class ta naina khiba su male sigi question je ko sumaina tawdana cloud storage da cloud computing da cloud storage sijanabagi kanaba singdoni ko sida pirise si noina tangai fadana khangba darkar oire ko adwai kala gani naina dorisi Question number 44 se yengse. 44 na kari hai. A web page displays the following information in which the underlined word is linked to another web page hai. Mana sida hairi se ko web page na makha da piribe information se display tawre aduga underline word ama yawgani sini mana hairi se underline word this sida di yawdre aina se underline tawshali mena hekta lawrage ko underline word to sine ne hekta lawra se ba adu ma hairi se kari underline words na ne is a link to another web page underline toriba wahaisina atopa web page amagi link ne ba adudi sigi underline toriba si atopa web page amagi link ne hairabani sigi underline tawriba sida click tawba matamda atopa web page ta chatkadoribani bako sima adoi tadi ma hairisi question na hangisi karino which method of data organization is being used hai karamba data organization method no ba mana sigi sida sijanarisi haibadi underline tawba wahai sida nangna click tawba matamda atopa web page samada chatkadawba masi karino laikhrisa HTML la hypertext la storyboard la data scheme la hairo noi maraktagi amatang si kari oidoino answer underline tawba wahi khara leire wahi sida click tawba matamda atopa web page samada chatkhiba karamba chungani si 1 2 3 4 2 hypertext hairisini ko hypertext hypermedia haidana adum sijannabi yawi hypertext se khara blue color na su thokpane masigi se garida direct web page ta web browser da changaga yengba matamda aduna hypertext tum doini ko su sigi question sigi answer se question number 47 yengse ngo email gi matangda achumba khallo hayemana email gi matangda kai achumba khallu kai yawbuno haibadu yengse email gi matangda you can add signatures to your emails to give personal contact details nangna email da signature hapa yai haye aduga nangi personal contact details to dum hapa nangi mingdu irani aduga makha sida nangi details hapa yai personal contact details ya bro email da signature hapa email da kai yai na koi nei na khre signature hapa har si yai ko mathangnabu email stands for electrical mail haye se electrical hai chumro se lali ko electrical na te kari yoidoino doi tade electrical na tre hairagadi electronic haigado buni ko BCC stands for blind carbon copy BCC hai se blind carbon copy hairini chumme using CC carbon copy feature of email will hide other recipients from each other carbon copy hairiba CC se masi sijanabana recipient mayamdo amana amadagi unaroi hide ohangani haye chumro se carbon copy sijanaragara amana ama unaroi doise lali ko blind carbon copy haiba BCC se masi sijanaragane BCC da hapkiba email address makhaido amana amma kanama unaroidoini atopa mina u fangoidoini ba BCC da bo hapkragadi duna BCC se chummi ko sigi statement sida mathangdana bu sugumba sisu he hangi format can exclusively sound file format hai sida piriba sidagi audio gi sound gi file format khallu haibadu aikoini image gi file format sound gi format video gi format file tongan ba mayangi format natragana extension haidana table lama pikhibane aduda mana hangi se karino haikanda sound file sound gi khallu hai sigi mp4 amu oiraroi mp4 di video ni aina khanbada sima AVI su video rangani na khali noine chimpa pungam dragadi mp3 di sound ni hana khoi isai tabada mp3 gana dum hainarami mp3 player ga phaw hairami isai tana ba machine macha digital gi lerambado ko aduna achumba aranba khar khando achumba dum lem haujani ko nasana dum paiza